chest, upper lungs, until the collarbones. Hold or suspend your breath now. Relax the shoulders now. Feel a little bit high, possibly. All the way. Exhale. Inhale halfway. Breath of fire. And exhale. Feel your body. Feel yourself. One by one, you can stretch your legs and shake them out. Exactly. We zitten lang zo, hè. We're sitting along this position. Ja, voilà. Oh nee, toch niet. Okay. Alright, that's the fleshy part of the buttocks. Bring it up. Now try to feel your sitting bone sucked in your yoga mat. So you sit like really, which is your grounding, actually flexing the feet so that all of these muscles are actually active, or bend the knees if you can't reach them. Try not to flip-flop the head. Try to keep one straight line. Like if you want to reach with your nose behind the feet. Otherwise we do like this, and we have the tendency to bend the back too much. So it's more like straight. Shake it. Not so fast. Just normal breathing. Side. Do 90 degrees on your mat like this. Yeah, just yeah, exactly. Inhale in the center. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale left. And continue on your own pace. Exactly. Vertebrae by vertebrae, and then the head is last. And then you lean again into the back. What is this muscle in English? The curtain. Front foot flex. Inhale up, very good. Last time. Exhale, bend. In. Very good. Very, very good. Exhale all the way, turn to the right. Sleeping pigeon. All the way down. Either you stay, or you can leave it all the way and you force yourself a little bit, which is actually not the idea, but we're going to try it anyway. Last time. Exhale right down. Use your fingertips or low lunge. Whatever you want. And exhale. Foot to the hands. For the lunge on this side. Your left leg all the way as far as possible. Inhale, push yourself up. Yes. Oh ja, ik moet er nou verder zetten. Zie maar niet. Okay. And then you have warrior 1. Exhale, warrior 2. As you exhale, reverse. Look up and go in a diagonal line for the humble warrior. Turn around and down, facing down. Very good. And then for the ones who can, inhale, bend both knees. Exhale, jump all the way to the front of the mat. Or step. Or elbows and look to the wall behind you. Reach as far as possible. Exhale. Good. Relax here. Look far, far, far. Very good. And inhale, down, down, down. Exhale, further down. Forward bend. Left leg next to it. High plank. Now exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale. Upward dog. This is a very slow vinyasa. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, both toes. Exhale, flat feet. Inhale, left leg high, 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 high. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, up. Exhale, knee to other elbow. And then you have one knee to your chest. Breathe and you relax here. This is a cat stretch. And you straighten also your right leg, and then you are ready for relaxation. Okay? And you come back into sitting position. Namaste. Namaste. Thank you. Busy, huh? Very